अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स क्लास 12th। आज हम एक नया यूनिट स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम है अल्कोहल्स फिनॉल्स एंड ईथर्स। यूनिट है अल्कोहल्स फिनॉल्स एंड ईथर्स। सबसे पहले आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं व्हाट आर अल्कोहल्स। सो वी हैव फर्स्ट सब टॉपिक इन दिस यूनिट दैट इज अल्कोहल्स। इंट्रोडक्शन। व्हाट आर अल्कोहल्स। इंट्रोडक्शन में सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं अल्कोहल्स किन को कहते हैं। अल्कोहल्स दे आर द हाइड्रोक्सिल डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ द hydrocarbons which are obtained from hydrocarbons such as alkanes by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of the alkanes by the hydroxyl group. Those are called as the alcohols. So alcohols are they are the hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbons obtained by replacing the hydrogen atoms of alkanes or hydrocarbons. Alkanes or hydrocarbons by hydroxyl group. वो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड जो हम ऑब्टेन करते हैं हाइड्रोकार्बन से, कैसे? बाय रिप्लेसिंग द हाइड्रोजन एटम्स ऑफ द हाइड्रोकार्बन्स बाय द हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप्स। तो रिजल्टिंग कंपाउंड जो बनते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं अल्कोहल्स। फॉर एग्जांपल, जनरल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ दीज अल्कोहल्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड एज अल्कोहल्स जो होते हैं उनको हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं बाय R-OH। Now how these are obtained? For example, these are obtained from alkanes. कैसे? By replacing this hydrogen atom by hydroxyl group। तो जो रिजल्टिंग कंपाउंड्स यहाँ पर obtain होते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं alcohols. So alcohols, they are the hydroxyl derivatives of the hydrocarbons such as alkanes. By replacing the hydrogen atoms of the alkanes by the hydroxyl group, the resulting compounds formed are known as alcohols. Now, classification of alcohols. This is the definition of alcohols. Now we have the classification of alcohols. Classification of alcohols. Alcohols are broadly classified into two categories. Number first, that is the aliphatic alcohols, and number second category जो है उनको हम कहते हैं aromatic alcohols. Broadly, alcohols they are of two types. Broadly alcohols are of two types. Number first, that is aliphatic alcohols, and number second, that is aromatic alcohols. Now, what are aliphatic alcohols and what are aromatic alcohols? Aliphatic alcohols are the alcohols in which the hydroxyl group is attached to the carbon of the aliphatic chain. Those are known as the जहाँ पर hydroxyl group जो होता है that is attached to the carbon of the aliphatic chain. We have the chain of the carbon atoms and hydroxyl group is attached to the carbon of that chain. Those are called as the aliphatic alcohols. So we have number first type, that is aliphatic alcohols. They are those alcohols in which they are those alcohols in which the OH group is attached to the carbon of the एलिफैटिक चेन। वो हाइड्रोकार्बन जहां पर हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप जो होता है अटैच्ड होता है किसको, कार्बन ऑफ द एलिफैटिक चेन, उन अल्कोहल्स को हम कहते हैं एलिफैटिक अल्कोहल्स। फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास है चेन ऑफ कार्बन एटम, सपोज वी हैव CH3OH, this is an aliphatic alcohol because this OH group is attached to the carbon of the aliphatic group. Similarly, we have CH3, CH2, CH2, that's OH. Here we have the hydroxyl group that's attached to the carbon of the aliphatic chain. तो इन अल्कोहल्स को हम कहते हैं एलिफैटिक अल्कोहल्स। सो एलिफैटिक अल्कोहल्स आर द अल्कोहल्स इन विच द OH group is attached to the carbon of the aliphatic chain। उन अल्कोहल्स को हम कहते हैं एलिफैटिक अल्कोहल्स। Now we have the second type, those are called as the aromatic alcohols। Aromatic alcohols are those alcohols in which the OH group जो होता है that is attached to the side chain of the aromatic ring, उनको हम कहते हैं aromatic alcohols। So we have the second type, that is number 2, we have aromatic alcohols in which the OH group is attached to the carbon of the side chain of the aromatic ring। For example, we have toluene here, this is benzene, this is CH3 group, this is called as toluene, and if we replace the one hydrogen atom of this CH3 group of this aromatic compound by hydroxyl group, those are called as aromatic alcohols। For example, we have -H here, we have it is CH2OH। So this hydroxyl group it is attached to the side chain of the aromatic ring। तो ये वाला अल्कोहल जो है इसको हम कहते हैं aromatic alcohols को। So aromatic alcohols, we have another example of aromatic alcohol, like we have CH2, CH2OH। This hydroxyl group is attached to the side chain of the aromatic ring। तो ये alcohols जो है they fall under the category of aromatic alcohols। So we have the first classification of the alcohols, that is on the basis of attachment of the hydroxyl group to the alkyl or the aryl group। So we have first category, that is aliphatic alcohols। वहाँ पर जो hydroxyl group होता है that is attached to the carbon of the aliphatic chain, while as in a case of the aromatic alcohols we have the hydroxyl group that is attached to the side chain of the aromatic ring, उनको हम कहते हैं aromatic alcohols। Now depending the second classification of alcohols is depending upon the number of hydroxyl groups present in an alcohol। अगर एक ही hydroxyl group है तो उन alcohols को हम क्या कहते हैं, अगर 2 है 3 है तो respectively they are called what they are called as। So we have the second classification of alcohols depending upon the number of OH group in an alcohol। Number second classification, that is depending upon the number of OH groups, hydroxyl groups। Alcohols are of following 3 types, that's monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols, etc। Depending upon the number of second classification जो है alcohols की, that is depending upon the number of OH groups। Alcohols are of following types। Number 1, monohydric alcohols। Monohydric alcohols are those alcohols which contains only one OH group, those are called as monohydric alcohols। Monohydric alcohols are the alcohols which contain only one OH group, which contain only one OH group. Which contain only one OH group, those are called as monohydric alcohols. For example, we have CH3OH. इसमें कितने OH groups हैं? Only one OH group, so this is a monohydric alcohol. Similarly, we have CH3, CHOH, and CH3. This is also a monohydric alcohol because it also contains the one OH group. So monohydric alcohols are those alcohols which contain only one OH group. Those alcohols are called as monohydric alcohols. Now we have the second type, that is dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols are the alcohols which contain two OH groups. Those are called as dihydric alcohols. Number second type is that is the dihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols. Number second type जो है that is dihydric alcohols, which contain two OH groups. Which contain two OH groups, those are called as dihydric alcohols. For example, we have CH2OH group and CH2OH group. This alcohol, it contains two OH groups, so this is a dihydric alcohol. So dihydric alcohols are the alcohols which contain two OH groups, those are called as dihydric alcohols. Similarly, we have the trihydric alcohols which contain the three OH groups, those are called as trihydric alcohols. So number third category जो है that is trihydric alcohols, which contain three OH groups. Which contain three OH groups are called as trihydric alcohols. So this is the class. For example, we have here CH2OH, CHOH, and CH2OH. This is an example of a trihydric alcohol. This is an example of a dihydric alcohol. So we have, depending upon the number of OH groups, we have the classification of alcohols. They are classified as monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols are those alcohols which contains only, इनमें monohydric alcohols में खाली एक ही OH group होता है, तो उनको हम कहते हैं monohydric alcohols. Then we have the dihydric alcohols which contain two OH groups. Then we have the trihydric alcohols which contain three OH groups. Now we have monohydric alcohols which contain only one OH group. They are further of three types. That is primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, and tertiary alcohols. So now we have the monohydric alcohols. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल्स वो अल्कोहल्स होते हैं जिनमें खाली एक ही OH ग्रुप होता है, उनको हम कहते हैं मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल्स. एंड मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल्स जो है दे आर इन टर्न ऑफ फॉलोइंग थ्री टाइप्स. नंबर फर्स्ट, मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल्स. Monohydric alcohols, they are further of three types. Number one, primary alcohols. Number two, secondary alcohols. And number third, tertiary 3-degree alcohols. प्राइमरी कार्बन, सेकेंडरी कार्बन एंड टर्शरी कार्बन के बारे में हमने यूनिट अल्काइल एंड हैलाइड में हमने वो डिटेल में डिस्कस किया था कि व्हाट इज ए प्राइमरी कार्बन, व्हाट इज ए सेकेंडरी कार्बन एंड व्हाट इज ए टर्शरी कार्बन. यहाँ पर हम थोड़ा सा रिकैप्चुलेट करेंगे. प्राइमरी कार्बन वो कार्बन होता है विच इज डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड टू नन और वन कार्बन एटम, उनको हम कहते हैं प्राइमरी. दैट कार्बन इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्राइमरी कार्बन, while a secondary carbon is that carbon which is directly attached to two carbon atoms, and the tertiary carbon is that which is directly attached to three carbon atoms. And depending upon the OH group, if it is attached to the primary carbon, it is called as a primary alcohol, and if it is attached to the secondary carbon, it is called secondary alcohol, and if the OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon, it is called as the tertiary alcohol. So we have the examples of नंबर फर्स्ट है दैट्स प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, 1 degree alcohol, in which OH group is attached to 1 degree carbon. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे पास है दैट इज CH3OH ग्रुप। ये क्या है? प्राइमरी अल्कोहल। क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर OH ग्रुप जो है एक ही OH ग्रुप है, इसमें दैट्स अ मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल, इट्स अटैच्ड टू द कार्बन व्हिच इज अटैच्ड टू द नॉन कार्बन एटम। सो ये कार्बन एटम जो है दैट्स अ प्राइमरी कार्बन एंड OH ग्रुप इज अटैच्ड टू दिस प्राइमरी कार्बन, सो इट इज अ प्राइमरी अल्कोहल। Similarly, we have CH3CH2OH. OH. Here the OH group is attached to the primary carbon because this is a primary carbon because it is directly attached to the one carbon atom. So this is our primary carbon and this alcohol is our primary alcohol because OH group is attached to the primary carbon. OH group is attached to the primary carbon here. So this is a primary alcohol. So primary alcohols are the alcohols in which OH group is attached to the primary carbon. Those are called as primary alcohols. Now we have the secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols वो alcohols होते हैं जहाँ पर OH group जो होता है that is attached to the secondary carbon. तो उन alcohols को हम कहते हैं secondary alcohols. Number second है that is 2 degree alcohols. Number second type जो है that is secondary alcohols, in which the OH group is attached to the secondary carbon. For example, CH3, CH3 and OH. यहाँ पर आप देखो जो ये OH ग्रुप है it is attached to the carbon which is directly attached to the 2 carbon atoms. So ये वाला कार्बन जो है that's a secondary carbon and OH group is attached to this secondary carbon. So it becomes a secondary alcohol. So secondary alcohols are the alcohols in which OH group is attached to the secondary carbon. Those are called as the secondary alcohols. Similarly, we have the tertiary alcohols. Number third जो है that is 3 degree alcohols, in which the OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon. For example, CH3-CH3-CH3-OH. ये अल्कोहल जो है this is an example of a tertiary alcohol because this OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon is that which is directly attached to the 3 carbon atoms. So this is an example of a tertiary alcohol. So we have the monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols are following. Monohydric alcohols are following 3 types. That is the primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, and tertiary alcohols. Primary alcohols are those in which the OH group is attached to the primary carbon. Secondary are those in which it is attached to the secondary carbon, and tertiary alcohol is that in which the OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon. Those are called as the tertiary alcohols. So this was about the classification of the alcohols. So we have the classification. In the classification part we have the first classification that is depending upon the attachment of the OH group. We have the alkyl, these aliphatic alcohols, and we have the aromatic alcohols. Then we have the number of OH groups. We have on that basis we have the monohydric alcohols, we have dihydric alcohols, and we have the trihydric alcohols. And similarly we have the monohydric alcohols. They are further classified into 3 types. That is the primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, and tertiary alcohols. Now we are going to discuss the nomenclature of alcohols. Nomenclature of alcohol. We have the 2 systems of nomenclature of alcohols. That is the common system of nomenclature and the IUPAC system of nomenclature. Number first, that is common system of nomenclature. Nomenclature. In the common system of nomenclature, first the alkyl group is named, then we add the word alcohol to it. So first alkyl group is named, followed by the word alcohol. For example, we have CH3OH. इसका नाम क्या है? इस पार्ट का नाम है that's methyl, and we add the word that's alcohol को, it is methyl alcohol. Similarly, we have CH3CHOH and CH3. What is this? This is propyl, but this is a secondary alcohol goes for secondary के लिए हम क्या लिखते हैं? पहले प्रीफिक्स करते हैं iso. So this is isopropyl alcohol. Similarly, we have CH3-CH2-CH2-OH. It is simply the propyl alcohol. क्योंकि इस पार्ट का नाम जो है that's propyl, and then we add the word alcohol, propyl alcohol. So this is the common system of nomenclature of the alcohols. In the common system of nomenclature, first we write the name of the alkyl part, then we add the word alcohol to it, and this is the common system of, for example, we have the CH3 and OH group, we have its name is methyl alcohol because CH3 का नाम जो है that is methyl, and then we add the word alcohol. For hydroxyl group, we add the word alcohol. So the name of this compound is that's methyl alcohol. Similarly, we have isopropyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, etc. This is the common system of nomenclature. Common system of nomenclature of the these monohydric alcohols. Similarly, we have the dihydric alcohols. उनको हम कहते हैं, जनरल नेम जो है उनका दैट इज द ग्लाइकॉल. सेकेंडरी दिस इज डाइहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल्स. डाइहाइड्रिक alcohols are commonly called as glycols. उनको हम कहते हैं glycols. So their name is obtained by adding the word glycol to the name of the alkene from which these are obtained. For example, we have CH2OH group and CH2OH group. ये अल्कोहल हमने कहाँ से obtain किया है? alkene से, that is CH2 double bond CH2. इसका नाम है ethene और ethylene. So इसका नाम क्या बनेगा? that is ethylene glycol. glycol हम add करते हैं किसको? the name of the alkene from which it is obtained. So its name is ethylene glycol. Similarly, we have the trihydric alcohols. उनके लिए कोई fast rule नहीं है to name those trihydric alcohols. We have the trihydric alcohol. उनका नाम हम ऐसे ही लिखते हैं that is CH2OH and CHOH and CH2OH. इसका नाम क्या है? ग्लाइसिरॉल और ग्लाइसरीन. This is regarding the common system of nomenclature of the monohydric, dihydric and trihydric alcohols. In case of monohydric alcohols, the name is written by first writing the name of the alkyl group, then we add the word alcohol to it. Similarly, we have the dihydric alcohols. उनको हम कहते हैं glycols. वो हम add करते हैं to the name of the alkene from which these are obtained. Similarly, we have the trihydric alcohols. उनके लिए कोई fast rule नहीं है to name the trihydric alcohols. Then we have the IUPAC system of nomenclature of alcohols. IUPAC. nomenclature of the alcohols. मोनोहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल्स जो होते हैं उनका नाम हम डिराइव करते हैं फ्रॉम द अल्केन्स by replacing this terminal e by all. So in the name becomes alkenols. These are called as alkenols. For example, we have CH3OH, इसका नाम है मीथेन। मीथेन का E हमने रिप्लेस किया है बाय the OH group, so it becomes methanol. And when if we have the chain of the carbon atoms here, we have to number that chain from the side which gives lowest number to the OH group. For example, we have CH3, CH2, CH2 and OH. हम यहाँ से नंबरिंग करेंगे, that's 1, 2 and 3. It is propane, propane, propane का E हमने रिप्लेस किया है, प्रोपेन का E हमने रिप्लेस किया बाय ऑल, दैट्स मोनोल. So this is the IUPAC. IUPAC nomenclature में आपको याद रखना है, their name is obtained from the alkanes. कैसे जब हम टर्मिनल E alkanes का रिप्लेस करते हैं by the OH group, तो रिजल्टिंग कंपाउंड्स जो बनते हैं वो are alcohols and the name becomes alkanols. So we have the first example, that's methanol, and then we have, if we have the chain of carbon atoms here, then we have to number that carbon chain from the side which gives lowest number to the hydroxyl group. So we have the propane monol. Similarly, we have another example, that's CH3, CHOH and CH3. यहाँ से numbering करेंगे, that's 1, 2 and 3. यहाँ से करो, that's 1, 2 and 3. It is propane. E replace karo by 2-ol. So these are called as alkanols, and the terminal E of the alkane is replaced by the hydroxyl group. Similarly, we have the dihydric alcohols and trihydric alcohols. Dihydric alcohols are called as alkane diols, and the trihydric alcohols are called as alkane triols. For example, we have the dihydric alcohols. Suppose we have the dihydric alcohol, that is CH2, that is OH. Here you have CH2OH. This is a dihydric alcohol. अब इसका नाम हम लिखते हैं, that's 1, 2. नंबरिंग करेंगे, that's 1, 2. अब है ये क्या है, that is ethane. ethane 1 पे भी है हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप, 2 पे भी हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप, that's ethane dash 1, 2 diol. D क्योंकि डायल जो है दैट्स कॉन्सोनेंट, सो हम ई को रिप्लेस नहीं करेंगे. इट इज ईथेन 1, 2 डायल. सिमिलरली वी हैव CH2 डैश ट्रायोल्स और ट्राइहाइड्रिक अल्कोहल्स के लिए, दैट इज OH, CHOH एंड CH2OH. इसका नाम है 1, 2 and 3, दैट इज प्रोपेन 1, 2, 3 triol. This is the nomenclature of the alcohols, that is the monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols and the trihydric alcohols. So in today's video lecture we discussed number first the definition of the alcohols, then we have the classification of alcohols, and then we have the nomenclature of alcohols. In the next video lecture we are going through the preparation of the alcohols. Thank you so much.